our child member.
Thank everybody for coming out. I know this isn't your hour.
My birthday's today. And I'm sweet 64.
Well, hey, you're too old for this group.
There's Jeff back from heart attack. And there's Evan back from God knows what all. And Michael here from LA. So we've got a full house here.
It worked on one. Good. It's nice to see you.
The birthday girl
And then I found the
and Treeby.
I found one so I've got 2 lights.
All right, yes. Uh-oh. More.
Age, I don't have the breath.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's one of those tricks.
The candle that keeps on giving.
That's the way I felt last week.
Yeah, but you were burning your candle at both ends.
Something like that.
And the bath.
You know what?
How did we get that out before?